I'm working on a 2007 Chevy Impala with a 3500 V6 engine. It came in for a check engine light with a misfire code P0300. Misfire detected. I checked it with my scanner and verified that it's misfiring from the number 6 cylinder. Now I'm doing a compression test to make sure all cylinders are firing properly, because it looks like they had just replaced the spark plugs and the spark plug wires. So now I'm trying to see if the problem is mechanical or not. Okay, so I'm gonna check all the bank 1 cylinders to make sure they all have good compression. Okay, so this is cylinder number 2, I think. So it has about 200 psi of pressure. Let's check the next cylinder. It should be, I think it's cylinder number 4. Good at 200 plus psi also. So let's go ahead and check the cylinder that is suspect, which is cylinder number 6. Okay, so that one has lower compression of 150 psi, so it's 50 psi plus, less than the other cylinders. So the next thing to do is to perform a leak down test to see if any of the valves are messed up or bent.